Hi, it's Jules here from Flying Colours Leadership, helping business owners just like you to make money and have a life. Okay, so let's talk about what you could be missing in your business. So, looking at, are you missing the $1 million perspective in your business? Okay, so we want to think about how we're looking at our business. So I want you to think about, how are you looking at your business? Are you looking at your business as, the tiny pieces, or are you looking at the whole lot of your business? Because how you look at your business absolutely matters. All right? And if we look at our business and we're actually looking at only one piece of our business, then we can be missing lots of stuff. All right? We can be missing some really important things for our business. And they can be things that are the $1 million perspective for your business. How would it change your life if you had a $1 million business? Absolutely, there would be changes, right? So, perspective matters. If we are looking at our business, and I want you to think about a jigsaw puzzle, and if you took a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle and only focused on one piece and only looked at it and going, oh, I'm so frustrated with this piece because I can't find the match for it. It's not in the jigsaw where it needs to be. And you took your time looking around everybody else when they were looking at their jigsaw puzzle piece, and my jigsaw puzzle piece doesn't look like theirs, and I need to mold it. And you go, oh, actually, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cut my jigsaw puzzle piece so it fits. I can see that person over there is cutting their jigsaw puzzle piece, so I'm going to do that with mine. Now, if you think about it in jigsaw puzzle piece, absolutely, it seems crazy to actually be cutting your jigsaw puzzle piece. Absolutely it does. But in business, that's exactly what we do. We try to fit our jigsaw into the mold of somebody else's without the benefit of perspective. So we want to have that $1 million perspective. So we want to look at our business, and I want you to ask yourself, are you looking at your business like it could be a $1 million business? Because if you're not, already the perspective is skewed, right? So we need to make sure that that's what we're doing. We are looking at our business as a $1 million business. Now, if we're looking at our business and not feeling that way, we then need to look at, well, am I giving kudos and credit to the areas of my business that freaking work? So I want you to think about the analogy of the puzzle. If you only focused on the pieces that don't fit, or the pieces that haven't worked, or the pieces that you can't find a solution for, imagine what it would feel like if that's all you looked at. Okay? But imagine instead if you're actually just shift your focus to the puzzle that you're creating. About how wonderful that puzzle is, about how the picture's coming together, about all of the things that's working in that puzzle. Now, the reality is the puzzle hasn't changed. There's still pieces that aren't fitting, and there's a picture coming together. The thing that has changed is your perspective. Now, this is what a lot of business owners that I work with are missing. They're so focused on, okay, what do I need to improve next? And what do I need? Oh, actually, they're doing that. Oh, I'll get my puzzle piece and I might cut it. Oh, no, that doesn't fit. Oh, look at all these terrible puzzle pieces that don't fit. and they're missing all the stuff that's working in their business. And this is the magic of an outside perspective, where we can have someone to come in and have that objective viewpoint. Sometimes we're looking at the puzzle pieces so closely, we can't see the entire puzzle. So I want you to step back for a minute and imagine your business as a puzzle. The things that you know that aren't working are the loose pieces. The things that you know are working are this beautiful picture that's starting to come about. And I want you to tap into how that feels. Actually looking at what you've created in your business so far as this beautiful puzzle that is still unfinished, but the picture is slowly coming together. This is how we need to be looking at our business. We can absolutely see the loose puzzle pieces, but if you want $1 million business, you cannot be cutting your puzzle pieces up to fit what everybody else is doing. You cannot trying all and focused on all the pieces that are loose and ignore the picture, the beautiful picture that is slowly forming. So we need to be thinking about, and a question for you to think about is, what's working right now in your business? What's working? What are the things that you know month after month, week after week you sell? What are the products or services that your clients rave about? And I want you to ask yourself, how much effort do you put into selling and promoting those products? Or are you in a bit of a, well, they'll sell anyway, so I don't need to worry? I'm going to focus my attention on all of these things that aren't working. You can see how quickly we can totally ignore this beautiful puzzle that's, appearing before us, this beautiful picture that our puzzle is creating, and really be in this air of frustration. So what we want to be doing is making sure we are leveraging the things that are working. We can still spend time on those missing puzzle pieces and going, okay, I need to tweak those. But we need to make sure we're leveraging all of the amazing things. And for your mindset as a business owner, that you're still looking and going, oh, you know what? Oh, this is a really great picture. Every now and again, I get someone, a business that I contract to or I do some consulting for, offer me a full-time job. And I love this because every time I think about it, I go, okay, what would that look like to go back to full-time work? And that moment, I go, oh, actually, and I look at the beautiful picture that I've created. Yes, it's not perfect. Absolutely not. But it is a very far cry from when I was in corporate working, 60 hours a week and getting no joy from it. And I think of the things that I would need to give up to actually take that corporate job. And very quickly, my focus has shifted from all the missing puzzle pieces that don't fit and all of this frustration to actually, wow, this is the picture that I've created for my life. And this is the benefit perspective can have for us. Shifting our perspective means that we can see the picture we're creating. So I want you to ask yourself, what picture are you creating for your life, for your business? And what beauty have you already created that you can enjoy and also leverage from? Because that is where we start shifting into this $1 million perspective. And then all of a sudden, not only do we feel different, and ask yourself, when you look at the picture of what you've created, ask yourself, how do I feel now? How do I feel looking at the beauty that I've created already in my business? Because I guarantee it will feel so much better than the frustration of trying to fit into, everybody else's idea of business, and also the frustration of, all the missing puzzle pieces that we actually still don't have perfect yet. And again, this is the gift of perspective.